FEIN is the specialist for professional and extremely reliable power tools and special solutions. The FEIN marine range includes everything you need for installation and interior outfitting, maintenance, and boat repairs and refits. For over 140 years, FEIN, the inventor of the electric hand drill, has been developing innovative and unbeatably efficient solutions that stand up to the toughest continuous use, all over the world and with the highest quality. Introducing a new professional range from FEIN, the FEIN Marine Range, the system for boat interior outfitting, maintenance and repairs. The FEIN Marine Range consists of 3 power tools: the FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top, the FEIN Marine Power Polisher, and the FEIN Eccentric Sander. All with the accessories and care products you need. The FEIN Marine Range, the system for boat interior outfitting, maintenance and repairs. Technology. The FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top is the result of FEIN's unique experience acquired over more than 40 years of working with oscillation technology. The secret of the enormous versatility and performance of the FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top is its oscillating action. The accessory being used oscillates up to 21,000 times per minute, back and forth at an angle of just 2 times 1.6 degrees. This allows the FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top to saw, sand, cut, scrape, polish, and much more. Thanks to the oscillating action, you don't experience kickback, working accurately into corners and on edges. The quick-in tool-changing system allows you to change accessories without the aid of tools. This saves considerable time and makes the job easier. Open the clamp 180 degrees, remove the accessory using the tensioning screw, fit the new accessory in the teeth, slide in the tensioning screw, and fully close the clamp. Because of its oscillating action, the FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top is significantly safer and more accurate than circular saws and angle grinders, and produces very little dust. Don't touch any tools during operation, and follow the accompanying safety instructions. When it comes to sanding, avoid unnecessary work with the tip, sanding for a long time on the spot, or working with high contact pressure. The FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top, the universal system for installation, interior outfitting, maintenance, repairs and refits on boats and yachts. The FEIN Marine Power Polisher is equipped with a sophisticated gearbox, so the right speed for polishing is largely achieved mechanically. Thanks to its double reduction with bevel gear and additional planetary gear, the FEIN Marine Power Polisher delivers around 40% more torque and power than almost any competing product. The speed can be regulated electronically between 500 and 1500 RPM and remains constant even under very high loads. The FEIN Marine Power Polisher is supplied with a sanding pad and extractor hood. This makes the FEIN Marine Power Polisher an outstanding rotary sander, which thanks to its low speed is particularly suitable for light sanding and sanding down coats of anti-foul product. The extractor hood and dust extraction connection allow you to work with virtually no dust. the FEIN Marine Power Polisher for cleaning, polishing and sanding. The FEIN eccentric sander has an eccentric stroke of 8.4 millimeters, making it one of the most powerful of its kind. With the FEIN eccentric sander, dust is extracted inside through the perforated sanding pad and also outside around the edge of the backing pad. This principle allows you to work with virtually no dust. The FEIN eccentric sander for dust-free finishing and paint preparation. Installation and interior outfitting on boats. The FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top is an ingenious tool for installation work inside boats and professional interior outfitting. The FEIN M-Cut saw blades make the FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top the world's most universal saw. This tool allows you to make precise cutouts with an edge length of as little as 10 millimeters. The FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top is the perfect assistant when it comes to installing electrical or electronic equipment and switches. The FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top isn't just an outstanding saw, it's also a perfect cross-stroke file. It's ideal for deburring and cleanly filing all apertures and cutouts. The M-Cut saw blades and carbide-tipped file are suitable for wood, fiberglass, carbon fiber reinforced plastics and thin sheet metal. With the FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top, retroactive installation of radio, radar and navigation equipment can be accomplished quickly and professionally. Even curved edges can be quickly reworked with the carbide-tipped file. Simply perfect. With the FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top, you can complete every step involved in installation and interior outfitting on boats and yachts with flawless results. To help you saw in hard-to-reach places, all saw blades can be rotated in 45-degree steps. The universal E-cut saw blade used here is also stepped, so you can saw flush to all surfaces, even right into corners. Create space the easy way, in small cupboards, for cable ducts and pipe conduits. The round HSS saw blade is used for longer straight cuts. The oscillating motion of the FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top makes it an outstanding saw for fiberglass or carbon fiber reinforced plastics. Because of the design principle, the amount of dust produced is minimal, and the tool will not crack or damage the laminate. The cutting depth can be conveniently adjusted using the variable depth stop. You can saw accurately in fiberglass sandwich material without damaging the other fiberglass layer or the core. Maintenance. When it comes to boat maintenance, the FEIN Marine Power Polisher is the ideal tool for the job. It's one of the most powerful in the world. First, apply the yacht cleaner and allow it to take effect. Then remove all dirt with the FEIN Marine Power Polisher and the bristle fleece. Quick and easy cleaning of the hull and deck, that's what's needed at the end of every trip, with the Marine Power Polisher from FEIN. Fiberglass surfaces with anti-slip structures can be cleaned gently yet thoroughly with yacht cleaner and bristle fleece for sparkling results. Start off with the FEIN Marine Power Polisher. For especially hard-to-reach areas, use the FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top to clean the deck. Fouling and dirt are expertly removed. The felt polishing pad is ideal for removing rust and polishing metallic surfaces and level plastic surfaces, both inside and outside. The soft start function prevents low-rated fuses from being tripped unnecessarily. The FEIN Marine Power Polisher is one of the most powerful polishers on the market. With its double reduction, it delivers 40% more torque and power than most competing products. The lambskin cloth allows you to polish gel coat surfaces very quickly and thoroughly. By selecting the right speed and contact pressure, you can even achieve perfect results on very old or heavily corroded boats. Yachts with painted hulls should be polished with the polishing pad. This achieves a gentle polish that won't damage the paintwork, without blooming or holograms. The FEIN Marine Power Polisher is perfectly complemented by FEIN Yacht Polish for machine processing. Achieve perfect, sparkling results on all yacht hulls, no matter what their state of repair. The speed can be regulated electronically between 500 and 1500 RPM and remains constant even with maximum contact pressure. This makes the FEIN Marine Power Polisher the fastest and most effective polisher in its class. The port side of this 30-foot hull was given a complete polish in just 1 hour. When we compare it with the starboard side, which hasn't yet been treated, the difference is impressive. For perfect results, the Marine Power Polisher from FEIN. The FEIN Marine Power Polisher is also perfect for light sanding or sanding down coats of anti-foul product. The tool is equipped with an extractor hood and suitable backing pad, so you can work effectively with minimal dust. Use the right sandpaper or sanding fleece to achieve a surface with optimum adhesion for new coats of paint. When the ideal speed is selected, the sanding fleece is hardly choked at all, making it unbeatable in terms of service life, sanding pattern and rapidity when working with anti-foul. The FEIN Marine Power Polisher for cleaning, polishing and sanding. Repairs and refit. The fine eccentric sander is used to prepare yachts, boats and decks for repainting. With a stroke of 8.4 millimeters, it's also one of the most powerful of its kind. This tool enables you to achieve the high-quality sanding pattern required for repainting fiberglass, steel or wooden yachts. Thanks to the perfect dust extraction system, on the inside through the hole pattern in the backing pad and outside around the edge, the tool produces virtually no dust. Dust extraction with the FEIN Dust X extractors makes for clean, efficient work. The FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top is also the perfect assistant for repairs and refits. It's ideal for renovating decks and carrying out part repairs. You can remove all common sealant materials quickly and thoroughly with the cutter blades. The time taken is reduced by over 80% compared with working by hand. The cutter blade should be sharpened about every 10 to 20 meters while the machine is running. When removing joints from teak decks, select a slightly reduced speed. We recommend electronic setting 3 or 4. The joint edges of your teak deck can be effectively cleaned with the carbide-tipped segment saw blade. Make the FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top part of your crew. It also functions as a scraper tool. Use the rigid stopping knife to quickly and precisely trim down polyurethane joint material. This saves a lot of effort later on when it comes to sanding down the teak deck. After the joints are filled in again, the excess PU material is sanded down with the FEIN eccentric sander. Corners and edges are where the FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top comes into its own. The FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top is a universal system for interior outfitting, maintenance and repairs. It sands perfectly in all corners and on all edges, and in tight spots. This makes it the perfect partner to the FEIN eccentric sander or the FEIN Marine Power Polisher. And of course, the FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top is also an excellent saw for repairs on fiberglass and wooden hulls. Expose damaged foam or balsa wood cores, for example, with surgical precision. Some individual boards on this old wooden motor yacht need to be replaced. Here the FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top with universal E-cut saw blade is used like a mortise chisel. The maximum cutting depth is about 60 millimeters. Make the FEIN specialist tools part of your crew. The FEIN MultiMaster Marine Top with accessories. The universal system for everyone who carries out installation and interior outfitting, maintenance, repairs and refits on boats and yachts. The FEIN Marine Power Polisher for cleaning, polishing and sanding. The perfect solution for everyone involved in professional yacht care and maintenance. The FEIN eccentric sander with maximum sanding capacity, a perfect sanding pattern and effective dust extraction. the ideal tool for boatyards, for dust-free finishing and paint preparation. The FEIN Care product range, designed to perform perfectly with fine power tools. Cleaners, polishes and waxes, some based on modern nanotechnology for sparkling results on any yacht. An attractive complete series, the FEIN Marine range, the system for yacht and boat interior outfitting, maintenance and repairs.